guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here from our Walmart midweek haul. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing the lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pal. If you take a second and subscribe, also make sure you smash like button, support your girl, and of course, don't forget to hype your girl up. You see all that neck action? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the head, forehead. Because I already know I got a big forehead. And so with the vein, it just makes it worse. But anyways, listen. So look, y'all. I need 9 offers for $2. Like $2. Like, when was the last time y'all saw a $2 bonus? I mean, I guess I should be happy that it's not $1. It's $2. And low-key, well, not even low-key, high-key. I wasn't even going to do it, but I had to go to Walmart anyway. So I was like, okay, I might as well, see if I can work some magical. And so that's what we're going to do today. We do have a couple of like freebies. Well, kind of, sort of, might be free depending on you. For Fetch Reward. I did post them both this morning on my community tab. I got all my money back from Flavor Wiki. And now, look here, I'm waiting for them to give us some more stuff other than the same 3 chips because, yeah. But I'm not complaining because, like I said, Josiah loves the Lay's. I like the Vicky's jalapeno. The Boulder Canyon, not a big fan of those. I'm going to give the 3 or 4 bags I have left to my sister. And so with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. Now, I did do the Oreo Cakesters. I had that offer for Food for Less, our Kroger affiliates. And those were $4.79, getting back $4. And that was a limit of 2. And I only had that offer on one of my accounts. And so with that being said, we're going to head over to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, hit the like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl up. First deal is not available anymore. It's on the Harkin bars. It was a limit of 5 for Ibotta, but then they changed it to a limit of 1. I think I did it that next day and just grabbed 1 since I had to come here anyways. Priced at $2.97, getting that back, making that absolutely free. Look, I totally checked online. It didn't show anywhere in my area. I'm glad I came and looked. They're priced at $127. This is a free offer for Ibotta. I was hoping it would become available for Walmart Rewards as well. OMG, you guys, it is available for Walmart Rewards. So I'm gonna grab, of course, 1 for Walmart Rewards, both accounts, and Ibotta as well, making all 3 of them absolutely free. Right. Big shout out to one of you guys about this deal on the Halo top. I've never tried it, and I wanted to try it so bad, but it looks like the offer excludes California, which, as y'all know, I'm in California. But I will have a link for you I'll either pin it or I'll have it in the description. It looks like they're priced at $4.62. So this deal here is on the Mac and Cheese Restaurant Edition. This popped up on Fetch Reward this morning, and I put a post on my community tab. Looks like a lot of you guys have it. I actually got it on both my accounts. It's priced at $2.97. I'm getting back 4,000 points, or like kind of sort of almost $4, making it $1.03 moneymaker, limit of 1. I think they also have it at Target, slightly more, but I'm gonna grab it while I'm here. And so yeah. All right, next up is the Pleasy. I just realized that it's the same Pleasy. They just redid the bottles. Looks like they're priced at $188. Now, for this, we're going to grab 2 of them. We'll end up paying $376. We have an offer for WeStock for 2 free. And then we also have $150 on Ibotta when you buy 2, making them both free plus $1.50 moneymaker. You guys, I finally got this offer for Ripple Street. I've been trying for this one because there was 3 different ones. And then there was one for ice cream at Vaughn's. And I've been trying, like, y'all, 6 o'clock a.m. I'll be refreshing, trying to get it. And I finally got this one today. So it's this one at $278 and then this one at $278. I have to buy 1 of each and you get back up to $9. Now, I always forget with Ripple Street how it works. I assume you get up to $9. So, well, you get up to $9. But I'm thinking if I get 3, I'll still get them all for free. So I'm gonna try and see if it works out. And I'll let y'all know. I also posted on this one this morning on my community tab on the Pepsi prebiotic. I actually liked this, you guys. Like, it didn't taste like funky or nothing like that. And free, hey, free tends to taste a little good, but you know what? Sometimes the free be letting you down, if you know what I mean. Some things you get for free, they ain't always gonna be good. So, but for this, they are on rollback for $6. Now I have an offer for Fetch Reward, spend 3, get 3, limit of 3. So essentially spend 9, get back 9. So I'm gonna grab one of these. I'll pay 6, I'll get back the 6, makes it free. Or I could grab 2, pay 12, get back 9, making them $1.50 a piece. Now, one of you guys just commented that you have the single cans. We don't have the single cans here, so that's not an option for me. But I think I'm low-key thinking of just grabbing 2 because, hey, why not? Really, really quick. I just happened to be on my way to the butter, and I see that they have the great value, certain flavors of the Greek yogurt on clearance for 33 cents. I think I'm gonna get, well, let me stop. I already got a bunch. But I think this one has 15 grams of protein. I know you probably don't care. These have 13 grams. So I'd rather get these, add a little bit of honey maybe. But I think oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna get a bunch of them because let's face it, you could get a 4-pack down here for $2.68. Or you could get a bunch of different flavors for 33 cents each. I grabbed like 16 of them, y'all. I got like 4 different flavors. I like the plain ones because you can literally add this to like anything. I use this as sour cream as well, and they're good for a while. So, yeah. Next up is I can't believe it's not butter. It's on the extra creamy. They're priced at $3.98. You want to grab 2, you'll pay $7.96. Getting back $2 for each on Ibotta. There's also 2 offers on Fetch. 40 cents when you buy 1, limit of 2, and then 85 cents when you spend 5. So it would bring them down to $1.15 each. I'm gonna pass because I still have some at home. And so I don't know what was up here, but it was on clearance for $1. Maybe I should scan them with my app and see what they are. All right, that's what it is. The Land of Lake's plant-based. It's only $1. I would get it if they had it. Yeah, Earth Balance Original. And this one is the BioLife plant butter. But yeah, they're only $1. I would check your area and see if you can find them. So yeah. All right, y'all. So this location doesn't carry the Suavitel refresher. But it is priced at $4.68. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them. Paid $9.36. Got back $5 on EasyBucks for buying 2. And then I also had a Fetch offer. It's a threshold one. And I was able to hit that as well, getting back 2. Plus 110 on checkout 51 brings them down to 63 cents. Still here is on the Muscle Milk. It's priced at $7.98. I'm grabbing 1. Getting back $3 on checkout 51 as well as one of the sister apps would bring that down to $1.98 or like 50 cents per bottle, which I don't think is bad. But I'm gonna sit on this. We sometimes will get Muscle Milk on Ibotta, so I'm gonna be patient and hope it pays off. If not, then if not, I still have a lot of the Ensure at home, and so yeah. All right, y'all, so look, this deal right here is dead. Like when I did my last video, I came back out and did the deal again, and I was happy that I did because I found the ones priced at $14.68. So I grabbed 2 of them. I ended up paying $29.36. Got back 24 on EasyBucks, 8 on Walmart Rewards, and 3 on checkout 51. So it made both of them a $5.64 money maker. So next up is the dial. Now definitely check your offers and see which ones qualify. I believe the smaller one of the Amber Woodworks and the Blue Sage, they're priced at $3.97. If you wanted to do this, you would grab 2 of them. You would pay $7.94, getting back 4 on EasyBucks, $120 on checkout 51. Would make them $137 each. You could always grab the larger ones as well. That is an option. And then it works on a couple of the 4-packs of the bars too. I think it works on the spring one
and it works on this one here, the white bar. They're priced at $4.97. Grabbing two of those, you would pay $9.94, getting back $4 on Easy Bucks, $1.20 on Checkout 51 would make them $2.37. I'll have a couple other options in the Google Doc, and so yeah. All right, next up is the Dial hand soap. It looks like they're on rollback for $2.58 now. For this, you could either grab two or you could grab four. I'm gonna grab four because I have an offer on Fetch Reward. I think it's been five, get back 120. So I'm gonna grab four of them at $2.58. That total is gonna come to $10.31. I'm gonna use four of these dollar peelies, right? And that's gonna bring that total down to $6.32, getting back four on Easy Bucks, $1 on Ibotta, and $1.20 on Fetch. Would bring them down to 3 cents each. All right, so this deal here, are these deals reset for me on Ibotta as well as Walmart Rewards. And I sold the last 3 sets that I got, so I figure why not grab them again for both Walmart Rewards and Ibotta. So the first one is here. It's on the Colgate Total Gum. It's priced at $5.36, getting back $5 on either Ibotta or Walmart Rewards. Makes it 36 cents. The Plaque Cleanse is priced at $6.26, getting back $5 would make that $1.26 on either Walmart Rewards or Ibotta. And then we also have offers on the Max Fresh down here as well for each flavor. Both priced at $5.22, getting back $4 on either Walmart Rewards or Ibotta, making them $1.22 each. All right, the last deal that I was gonna grab is on the Skin Tint. Looks like they only have one, and I really wanted to max it out. It's priced at $6.27. I've been using a $4 IP, bringing that down to $2.27, getting back 2 on Ibotta makes it 27 cents. And so I might have to check a different store. And so yeah. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. I only had one hiccup. The receipt that I had, the mac and cheese and the dial on for Fetch, it said duplicate receipt, so I had to put a ticket in saying it's the original. And it's funny because you click on show receipt and it can't even show you. So how you know it's duplicate if you can't even show me what's duplicated? And so hopefully that will work out. I got back everything for Walmart Rewards as well. And I told y'all with Walmart Rewards, I do one transaction with Walmart Reward offers. And then once it hits my Walmart app, I basically use that to pay for the offer for Ibotta. And I'm not even gonna front. I'm thinking of using Joseph's account for the free stuff. I'm not even joking. I know I don't need to go. It's not even that. I don't want to say it's not that serious because if it's something I like, something that we use, it low key is that serious. It kind of is. But yeah, other than that, everything here worked out good. And so I'll let y'all know, pin a comment to let you know how the Dunkin' deal works out on Ripple Street with me grabbing 3. But I'm hoping that I get the ice cream one at Vons because I know my sister is gonna love those. Because Josiah doesn't eat ice cream. And so yeah, so other than that, I'm gonna try to breeze through this really, really quick. So everything that you see here retails $158.37. I had $16 in coupons. It brought the out of pocket down to $142.37. My sales tax was $7.27, getting back $42.74 from Ibotta, $33 from Easy Bucks, $28.54 from Walmart Rewards. Fetch Reward, it should be $28.20. Ripple Street is $8.34. PayPal $7.13. Checkout 51 is $4.10. And last but not least, WeStock is $3.76. So I'm walking away with a total of $155.81. It's going to make everything you see here free plus a $13.44 money maker, which is not bad, y'all, because I was going to skip this. I'm not even joking. but I had to go to Walmart to do my oil change today. So I was like, last night I was like, let me just see what I could do. I'm happy that I went because I was able to make it work and to pull it off and to get paid a little bit, to do it. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. Don't forget to hype your girl up as well. And I want to see a coffee emoji in the comments if you've made it to the end. And I will see you